Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Anna. My name is Anna.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 20 years old. I'm 20 years old.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm a student. I'm a student.
Are you busy now? Are you busy now?
Not really. Not really.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
I like blue. I like blue.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in New York. I live in New York.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, a cat. Yes, a cat.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Pizza. Pizza.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
A little bit. A little bit.
Do you want coffee? Do you want coffee?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Can you cook? Can you cook?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
To the park. To the park.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, I play football. Yes, I play football.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock.
Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
What's your hobby? What's your hobby?
Reading books. Reading books.
Do you like dancing? Do you like dancing?
Yes, it's fun. Yes, it's fun.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Do you like movies? Do you like movies?
Yes, a lot. Yes, a lot.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
Titanic. Titanic.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
A little. A little.
Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Do you play games? Do you play games?
Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes.
What's your favorite game? What's your favorite game?
Chess. Chess.
Do you have friends here? Do you have friends here?
Yes, many. Yes, many.
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
Just relaxing. Just relaxing.
Do you like tea? Do you like tea?
Yes, green tea. Yes, green tea.
Can you dance? Can you dance?
A little bit. A little bit.
Do you like animals? Do you like animals?
Yes, I love dogs. Yes, I love dogs.
What's your dream job? What's your dream job?
To be a teacher. To be a teacher.
Do you like books? Do you like books?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book?
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Do you like shopping? Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Do you have a car? Do you have a car?
No, not yet.
Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
Do you like the beach? Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
Summer.
Do you like rain? Do you like rain?
Yes, it's peaceful. Yes, it's peaceful.
Are you cold? Are you cold?
A little bit. A little bit.
Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit?
Mango. Mango.
Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee?
Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning.
What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink?
Orange juice. Orange juice.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like reading? Do you like reading?
Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.
Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream?
Yes, chocolate. Yes, chocolate.
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
English. English.
Do you like studying? Do you like studying?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Can you sing? Can you sing?
A little bit. A little bit.
Do you like flowers? Do you like flowers?
Yes, roses. Yes, roses.
What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport?
Basketball. Basketball.
Can you play basketball? Can you play basketball?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Do you like football? Do you like football?
Yes, I watch it. Yes, I watch it.
Can you play football? Can you play football?
A little bit. A little bit.
Do you like running? Do you like running?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you exercise? Do you exercise?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
What's your favorite song? What's your favorite song?
Shape of you. Shape of you.
Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it. Yes, I enjoy it.
Can you play guitar? Can you play guitar?
Yes, a little. Yes, a little.
Do you like art? Do you like art?
Yes, I love painting. Yes, I love painting.
What's your favorite place? What's your favorite place?
The mountains. The mountains.
Do you like the city? Do you like the city?
Yes, it's exciting. Yes, it's exciting.
Do you like the countryside? Do you like the countryside?
Yes, very peaceful. Yes, very peaceful.
Do you like summer? Do you like summer?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like winter? Do you like winter?
Not so much. Not so much.
Do you like spring? Do you like spring?
Yes, beautiful flowers. Yes, beautiful flowers.
Do you like autumn? Do you like autumn?
Yes, the colors. Yes, the colors.
Do you like the morning? Do you like the morning?
Yes, fresh air. Yes, fresh air.
Do you like the night? Do you like the night?
Yes, very calm. Yes, very calm.
What's your favorite time of day? What's your favorite time of day?
Evening.
Do you like watching TV? Do you like watching TV?
Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes.
Do you like studying English? Do you like studying English?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
Can you write English? Can you write English?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Do you like learning? Do you like learning?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like history? Do you like history?
Yes, it's interesting. Yes, it's interesting.
Do you like science? Do you like science?
Yes, a lot. Yes, a lot.
Do you like math? Do you like math?
Not really. Not really.
Do you like school? Do you like school?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like teachers? Do you like teachers?
Yes, some of them.
Do you like your classmates? Do you like your classmates?
Yes, they're nice. Yes, they're nice.